Let's explore how backups work in version 12 on the cloud. You access the backups through the administration pane. So from the home page, I click on the administration card, and I will show you the first thing on Dev 3, which is a stocked database. Number one, backups only run on databases that are running. If it's stopped, you get this warning and no backups will be performed. The backups that are performed automatically won't run, and since it's stopped, you also can't do a manual backup. But let's go through all of that. Number one, where do you set up those automated backups? You set up the automated backups when you first create that database or when you edit the database. So let's pretend I'm going to create a database. And down here on the bottom left, this is where you set the automatic backups to on or off and the time that they will be taken. I'm not going to create a new database. I will hit cancel. And let's go to Dev 5. And on the backup tab, we will create a manual backup. It's a relatively small database. It should only take a minute or so, probably less than that. To create a manual backup, at the top right, you click on the Create button. You give the backup a name. Just call it Test Backup. Cannot contain any spaces. And click on Create. You will get a few messages. The first message is saying that the backup is in progress. It will take several minutes. For this database, it will not take several minutes. We'll just wait a little bit. We should get another message at the top right. Okay, it requested to back up the Dev 5 database. And the next message should be that the backup is completed. There we go. We have successfully created the Dev 5 database backup. Now let's look and see what happens. Let me close these messages. So in this last tab, backup, you can see all of the automated backups and the manual backup that we just took. There are a couple of actions that you can take on every backup. You can access those actions through the 3 vertical dots. For manual backups, you can download the backup off the cloud to your computer. You can restore the backup, which will do a complete restore of the live system with this backup. And you can delete the manual backup. One difference in the automated ones, you can download, you can restore, but you cannot delete. I will show you how to do a restore. Click on restore, and you will get a warning. It says Dev 5 will be overwritten with this backup. This action cannot be undone. You will click on restore this database, and you will click on restore. And that is everything you need to know about backups in V12.